Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily check your credit score on Discover app. So here's how you can easily check your credit score on Discover app. So in Play Store or App Store, just make sure that you've downloaded the latest version of Discover app. Then once done, just open the app. From here, just make sure that you're logged in to your Discover app account. And once you're logged into your account, you should be able to be redirected to this page wherein you can view a list of your credit cards, your bank accounts, and under the additional products section, you should be able to see FICO credit scorecard. From there, just click on it and you will be redirected to the FICO Credit Scorecard page wherein you can easily view and access your credit score. There are also other categories that you can check here, such as total accounts, length of credit, inquiries, revolving utilization, and missed payments. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!